There's a lot of different mortgages out there today. In fact, there's right down here 4 different ones to choose from. There really are a few extras besides that. But what I really want to talk to you today about is the adjustable rate mortgage. Why do I want to talk about that? Because right now the rates are high. Yes, I know you've noticed that. However, what you may not know is the reason that they're high is that the government is trying to curb inflation. And in order to do that, they really need to raise the rates. It will slow down people spending money on things they really may or may not need. But what's really important is once they have accomplished that, they're going to bring the rates down back to where they really need to be. The lenders that I'm working with right now have promised that if you get a mortgage at today's rates, when the rates do come down, which they're anticipating somewhere around February, at most March, they're anticipating a rate somewhere close to 4.5%. So right now, you can buy the home you want, you can get the mortgage you need, and refinance it later. Now, the thought of refinancing, well, let me tell you, not only are they going to refinance it for you, but they're not going to charge you all of those crazy different fees that they typically have to charge. All they're going to charge you for is an update on your title insurance, which is going to be extremely minimal. So if you're at all interested, give me a call, 317-339-7653. In the meantime, this is Phil Landy with the Atlas Group saying, I'm always here for you. Let me know what I can do. Take care. Till then, bye for now.